Good morning, students. Happy Wednesday. It's going to be a wonderful Wednesday, I know. I wanted to take just a minute to clarify some things from our Bear Time lesson on Friday. By no means were we trying to make anyone feel ashamed or guilty for anything that they have. As you know, one of our core values is every person's story matters, right? Each one of us come with different backgrounds, right? We have different obstacles in front of us. We all look a little different, but we all have our own personal story. And for us to take that story and to add grit and perseverance to it in order for us to help get to the goals that we set for ourselves. Every Monday, you guys look at your goals and you set goals for yourself. Today, I want you to think about some long-term goals. Think about what you actually want to accomplish. You know, many of you are getting ready to get into high school. You're certainly turning into teenagers, and before long, 18 is going to be here, and your future is going to be in front of you. And there is a tremendous opportunity for each and every one of you to accomplish whatever you want to accomplish in life. But we must start thinking about it, and we need to think about what it's going to take for us to get there, right? What type of perseverance and grit am I going to have to show in order for me to reach where I want to go? So I just wanted to take a few minutes this morning. I want you to think about that. You don't have to write anything down, but just think about what are some of the things that you have passions about. Where might you see yourself as an adult, and think about what it's going to take for you to get there. And I want all of you to be successful. So just think about those things this morning. And again, we did not want anyone to feel ashamed from the activity. The activity was about just understanding that each of us has a story and the wonderful opportunities that are in front of each and every one of us to reach our goals. Y'all have a wonderful Wednesday. Go Bears.